In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Landbank ATM card online. So, a Landbank ATM is something that allows you to shop online, pay bills, and purchase over the phone and via email. So, an ATM card numbers and its detail is also available on the app itself. So, you can head over to your Google Play Store and install the Landbank application and sign up for online banking in order to access it. You can also visit any branch of Land Bank and get started with online banking as well as verification inside it. So using this, you can actually get access for their card products like prepaid cards, CMB enabled Visa and debit, as well as cash card and credit cards. So you can see right here the features of e-cards as well as the identification card. And for this case, you just can hover to this, open an account. You can also search for a branch available nearest you, or you can also call their lines right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.